everyone, this is Melissa, and you can see that you get a ton of amazing products in the new May paper door kit from Whimsy's called Panda Butt. Today we're going to be making this adorable card that I just showed, and we're going to be using the little panda bear stamp that has the little bottom showing as well as the die cut that matches that. I will be using black cardstock and some of the red shimmery cardstock as well, and then you'll see me grab a piece of white too. So all I'm going to do is cut this little panda bear out 3 times. Initially I thought I would do something a little bit different, but I decided to just simply cut it out 3 times, and I'll be adhering colored pandas to each of those die cuts. So these are the 3 stamps that I cut out, and I'm just going to color each of the little panda bears the same using my 100 black marker, T9, T7, and T5. So I'm going to do that quickly, and then I'll get back to you after I finish coloring. Okay, so now that I've colored up the 3 pandas, I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut each one. I only show one on the video just for simplicity, and the video is also sped up, so I don't really cut this fast. I'm actually kind of slow at cutting out things. But you're going to see these cute little pandas fit right on top of that red die, and I go ahead and put a piece of cardstock on the white card base of the black that comes in the kit, and I'm going to stamp the sentiment onto the center of a piece of white that comes in the kit as well, with VersaFine Clair Nocturne, and beneath that white strip I have a piece of red from that shimmer paper as well. Then I'm going to take a piece of the white shimmery cardstock that came in the glittery piece actually that comes in your kit, and I'm going to cut a strip of that and emboss it, and it embossed beautifully. I was a little bit worried about the glitter paper being able to emboss with the embossing folder that comes in the kit, but it actually looked really well. I thought it was super cute. So now I'm just working on the layout of the kit, of the card, and I choose to add a little bit of the green glitter tape that comes in your kit, mostly because I think it needs a little bit more color, and that glitter tape is just so beautiful. Now if I were to do this card over, I would actually put I would leave that black piece that I cut, that black cardstock, I would leave that off and put the glitter tape and wrap it around that piece of black to the back so that you don't have edges to cut off. This glitter tape though does cut very easily, so you'll see I have a little bit of overhang and then I simply take my scissors and cut it off. But typically I like to fold that glitter paper underneath. So what I'm doing now is cutting off those little edges, and then I'm going to adhere my pandas to that red cardstock and add my sentiment to the base, and that pretty much finishes the card really. I glue the pandas down to the glitter paper just because I find that the sticky kind of ATG tape isn't adhesive as glue. So I glue the pandas down to each of the red bases, and then I just adhere every component of my card. It's a very simple thing to do. And then the last thing I do like, I don't show you in the video, but I do add the little puff balls that come in the kit to their little bottoms because it makes it a little bit cuter. So I hope you enjoyed today's card, and you'll pick up your very own paper door kit from Whimsy Stamps.